Good morning. My name is Erica M. Quino. I am 20 years old and currently taking up Bachelor of Science and Tourism Management. So the purpose why I'm here is because I will report about volleyball. So for the coverage of my entire report, I will discuss the history. Then the next one is the rules and regulation wherein in every game there are always the rules and regulation that needed to be followed. Then the third one is the court structure or the dimension of the court. Then the fourth one is the officiating or who are the responsible or who are involved in this game. Then the fifth one is the game or the game itself. So let's start with a history. So volleyball was originally known as Mintonet, a brainchild of American William G. Morgan. He is a physical director of the Young Men's Christian Association in Holyoke, Massachusetts, and it is an indoor sport for businessmen. So, volleyball was named before as Mintonet, a brainchild of American William G. Morgan, who discovered this game volleyball, wherein this William G. Morgan is lived in Holyoke, Massachusetts. And also, this game is an indoor sport for businessmen, but now we can play volleyball even in outdoor. Then the third one is the rules, or second one is rules and regulation rather. So consists of 6 players, 3 on front row and 3 on back row. So it should not be 4 or 5 in the front row or back row. It should only consist 6 players, 3 on front row and 3 on back row. 3 hits per side is a maximum. So it should be 3 as a maximum. Should not be 4, 5 or 6. Then the next one, it should not hit the ball twice. So when you hit the ball, it should be once, and it is illegal to hit the ball twice. Then can played off the net during on a volley on a serve. So the players can play it off during on a volley on a serve. Then hitting boundary line is in. So when the player hit the boundary line, it is considered as in. Legal to use any parts of player's body. So every players can legal to use any parts of their body uh, to catch or hold the ball. But it is illegal to catch, hold, or throw the ball. Considered one player when two or more players contact the ball. So when two players contact the ball, it is considered that they are one player. Then should not block a serve or inside the 10 feet line. Then the last one is players can switch position at the net. Then the third one is the court structure. So the dimension of the court are 29.6 feet by 59 feet and are measured from the outer edge of the boundary lines. The new 2-on-2 court size is 2060 times 52.6. So that is the dimension or the length of the court where players played volleyball. Then the fourth one is the officiating. So generally officiated by 2 referees and 2 line judges that stand on opposite corners to assist the first referee to look for touches of the ball by blockers at the net. So we have 2 referees. Then the other two are the line judges that stand on opposite corners. So in order to look or assist the 2 referees, and also their assigned task is also to look for touches of the ball by the blockers at the net. Then the last one is the game. So in order for a one group to be announced as a winner, they should at least earn 2 points. But if there's a 24-24 at tie, they should play one last game in order to earn a 15 point rally scoring or 17 point cap. And if and whoever win that last game, they will be the one who will announce to be the winner. And that's all for my report about volleyball. And I hope you learn from my discussion. And that's all. Thank you.